Guys, what happened to Liam Jacobs? Ever since he joined the PA, he's no longer the same. When he was still good DA, he was still speaking about service delivery and exposing the areas that were badly governed by the ANC. But since Gayton McKenzie and Cyril Ramaphosa are like this, he has gone silent, especially when it comes to bad governance.
Liam Jacobs ubengomunye wabantu abebesebasha kodwa obonayo ukuthi bayikhathalele izwe lase-South Africa. Njengoba esho ubhuti ubethi mayihamba uma ngathiwa kune-stadium okwakhishwa imali kwathiwa siyakhiwa afika ye khona asho ukuthi le stadium sakhiwa ngemali engaka kunje la i-service delivery engafinyeleli khona kubantu bethatha ifoni yakhe azi-expose zonke lezo zinto. I-DA yamfaka eParliament waseva kwi-Portfolio Committee ye-Sports, Arts and Culture. Okuthe ngonyaka ophelile emveni kokuba kube nempikiswano kwakuLwesihlanu ngikhumbula kahle kwakwaba nempikiswano phakathi kwakhe noGayton McKenzie. Sithe sizwa sekuthiwa uLiam Jacobs sekajoyine i-PA sekayishiyile i-DA ushiye ngisho iposition abebemnike yona eParliament wajoyina i-DA. Ngifisa-ke ukuphendula impendulo kabhuti ukuthi uphi uLiam Jacobs njengoba siyazi ukuthi usebuyele ekhaya la avela khona ku-DA. Kodwa ngaphambi kokuba sikhulume ngohambo lwakhe lumbuyisele ekhaya ku-DA, ngiyafisa ukukukhumbuza ukuthi wathini mzukwane ejoyina i-PA ngabo lobo busuku bokuqala eqala ukujoyina i-PA.
We're not in competition with our young people here. We build them. Nothing gives me greater joy to see young people occupying positions. So, Liam, what do you say when people say you're bored? Over to you.
Thank
Take
you.
your time.
No, this is now a video call between me and the Patriots.
Yeah, sure.
All right? That's all it is. But I'm going to share something after I've said what I said now. I'm going to share something that's very personal. I just shared it now when we were in the Thanksgiving service. But when people say that I was bored, it says to me that people are saying that I don't have a concrete value system. It says to me that people are saying that I wasn't raised right, as if you can buy a person. And when press says a thing like that is racist, it's absolutely racist, because it then comes to say that colored people can't decide for themselves where they want to be. They must now decide based on money. We can go where money is, because what's implied behind that now is that people are saying they also don't have their own. They are always going to be dependent off of where money is. And that is something I want to put straight. My parents, my mother, my grandmother, my father, all of these people worked so hard to raise me into what I am today, and worked so hard to instill values in me that come from the Bible for me to be bought in 2025. It was never ever going to happen. It didn't happen. In fact, this entire decision is a decision that comes from here, because you can't fake a decision like this. And when we're doing the Thanksgiving service now, I shared something that I never shared on the internet before, and I'm going to share it again. The day before I got sworn in as a member of parliament, this is a story that I haven't shared. The day before I got sworn in as a member of parliament, my mother was crying. She was crying. We had to share a room at the hotel because that's where Parliament booked everyone in. And I didn't know what was going on with my mother. I didn't know why she was crying. But my mother was crying because she said that she had lost her son. And I asked why. She says, you're starting to talk like them. You're starting to be like them. You're starting to act like them. And she says all of this, and at the time, I didn't know what she was saying. But she had assured me that the prayers of a mother is prayers that go directly up to God's ears, and God takes them seriously. So when she did that, when she told me that, I didn't understand it. But now that I'm here, nou dat ek hier is, saam met mense, I understand what she was praying about, and I understand it with my whole entire heart. And I say that to say, a woman that loves me so much was never ever going to raise me with values that are as fickle as what people on the internet are suggesting, with values that are as fickle as what people in comment sections are suggesting. That's the first thing. The second thing is, There's people that are now saying also, nee, he's no stil gemaak. He's no gekoop dat hy stil gemaak is. That you can't say anything anymore. That your social media is now, hulle het jou plat gemaak. Not the case. Those ek was. Because previously, I could only do oversight in 8 provinces. Northern Cape, Northwest, Free State, Eastern Cape, KZN, Mpumalanga, Gauteng, and Limpopo. Now, I can go and do oversight in the Western Cape as well. Now, I can be honest with the videos that I was doing. And I'm going to go everywhere in the Western Cape as well. Because not all that glitters is gold. It isn't perfect. It is very, very far from perfect. Our people are still living in poverty. Our people are still sitting without jobs. Our people are still walking into sewer that is flowing into their houses. Our people are still living with informal settlements that is set up with illegal immigrants, wherever they are. These are things that I'm going to be showing now. And Prez also said it's wherever. Wherever. Whether the DA is governing, whether the ANC is governing, whether we are governing. Ek kom kyk julle almal. Ek is net so. Ek kom kyk julle almal. Ek kom vra my, wat skud hierso? Die hond lyk my is baie los hierso my.
Kunenjabulo enkulu kuma members ePA ngoba bayayazi imisebenzi yakhe. Kodwa ever since I joina EPA akaphindanga wenza lento abekayenza. Nje ubhuti ebebuza ukuthi ashuthe lathi bukani service delivery ayifika ngebantwini akaphindanga. Wagcina sese ku DA. Uma mina nawe singakhuluma nje kahle iqiniso. Ubengayixaka kanjani ANC ekutheni nayenze kahle ekubeni ileader yakhe upresident wakhe okuGateini encomi ANC evikeli ANC epressure Ramaphosa kuyo yonke into. Uyena ubengama kanjani aphambane neleader yakhe? Bekungenzeka. Angicaphunela ivideo yakhe ke la abuyela khona ku DA uze ukuthi utheni.
Passion? Do we want to see politics where friends are awarded certain things? Do we want to see politics where loyalists and people who are loyal to the leader get support, get put into positions? I don't think so. I think that the politics of our country, as defined by our constitution and as defined by our values, should be politics where you are able to raise your own hand and give yourself a shot in the name of your people. That the blessing to lead your people and to stand up for your people doesn't just come from one source, that it comes from within. And that is the politics of tomorrow. That is the politics of the future, where everybody holds hands, where it is not just one group, where it is not just flowing from one area, but it is politics that is of the heart, not just politics that is of slogans, because it is the politics of the heart that is going to change this country. And I think there is a way to change this country. I think that there is a home and a vehicle that can be driven to change this country and to see a South Africa that we all believe in. The South Africa that is the dream of those who fought for the democracy that we have today. I think that that is possible. But before that, I finished this water. Before that, I have to get myself some water. So hold on just so for 2 seconds. Finally! We are home. We are home. So the first person that I want to speak on this momentous occasion is the provincial leader of the DA in the Western Cape, Tasha Simmons. What have you got to say?
Welkom thuis, Liam.
Baie
Kom ons almal maak keuses vir onsself, vir ons familie, vir ons gemeenskap, maar wat die belangrikste ding is, wat belangrik vir die pad vorentoe. So kom pad toe. Jy het 'n wyse besluit gemaak. Welkom thuis.
Come on, brother. Liam, I want to say to you, welcome home, buddy. It is amazing to have you back in the DA. Let me say that it would be absolute hypocrisy of us if we expected no one to ever make a mistake in life. Every one of us was in our 20s once, And that's the point of your 20s, man. You got to learn, you got to grow, you got to figure out who you really are. And I remember when you left the DA, Helen said something profound. She said that we're not going to hate on Liam. He is a talented young man who's made a mistake, and he's going to figure it out. And Helen was, as very often, absolutely right. Because you are a talented young man. You have figured out...
Jacobs ubuyele ekhaya la besuka khona kwi-DA. Kodwa kunento ayishilo ebalulekile wathi i-loyalty to i-leader yenza ugcina uthola i-position. Iyahlupha-ke leyo nto leyo ngoba kunabantu abasuke benetalent, bene-capacity, be-capable okwenza into ey'thize. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi abasondele ne-leader bagcine labantu bengatholi i-position. Nami ngiwuye bengingamshiya u-18. Ubu-18 uthandaza uRamaphosa. Iyona nto into aseyenza. Angikucaphunela amazwi kaHelen lawo ekuthiwa wawasho mzukwane Liam Jacobs ehamba. Cela uzwe la.
I like Liam and I got on well with Liam and I don't want to clap him in any way. The thing that I will say about it is, though, it takes many years in politics to know that getting bashed about is part of what you bought into. And to know that you mustn't take yourself too seriously, and to know that you're going to get clapped from every single angle, and you just have to dust yourself off and get on with it. That is what you have to know in politics. And if you don't know that in politics, you're going to learn some very hard lessons. Now, I've often found that young people come in and they get into the spotlight and they quite like the limelight for a bit, but they don't realize it isn't limelight, because the minute you get a spotlight on you, that's the next thing is going to happen is you can have your head cut off and you're going to have to survive that. And so it takes some hard knocks to get to that point. And it takes hard knocks for everybody to get to that point. So what I say to young people is, when you get disillusioned, when you get angry, when you say, I didn't buy into this, just ask yourself and just remind yourself that there has never been a single person who left the DA who wasn't sorry afterwards. So go through your knocks inside the DA, take it and move on.
Inkulumo kaGoguzile kuyasho ukuthi ikhulunywa umuntu omdala futhi oseyibonile impilo. Kuyo yonke into eyenzakalayo, umuke wathola udumo noma i-spotlight noma wanconywa ngento ethize, kuningi okubhayiza okukwehlelayo, kuningi. Yingakho ngithi kuyasho ukuthi ikhuluma umuntu omdala. Kwivideo esikhulume ngayo izolo kaMax Makhanya lapha bekaluleka khona ungizwe uthe sizokusupporta kodwa ngeke sikusave. Ngoba wathi ungakudaka udumo liyadakana. Ligcina likwenza uzibone ngathi utho. Labantu laba okuyibona abakubeke kuleya ndawo abalutho kanti cha. Bahlakanipha ukwedlula wena. Kunje wena ngoba usuthola udumo. Baningi osazwayo baziyo nawe bangakini. Abanele bathola udumo bashintsha yonke impilo ebeniyazi bebeyiphila. Kodwa impilo yathi mayibajikela labantu bebetshela bangabangani base bengasekho. Injalo ke impilo. Udumo liyadakana.